Tire replacement tutorial. All 4 wheels are replaced using the same method. Step 1. Use a screwdriver or appropriate tool to remove the screw from the center of each wheel and take out the circular washer. Step 2. Hold the wheel and gently rock it side to side to loosen it, then remove it. Quick tip. If it's held firmly by adhesive, you can use a hairdryer to apply some heat and soften the glue for easier removal. Be careful not to overheat and damage the tire. Step 3. Align the new tire with the center hole of the wheel hub. Then press down firmly and evenly until it's fully seated. Step 4. Reinstall the circular washer and screw. Use your tool to tighten each one securely. If you run into any issues during installation, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Don't forget to grab the exclusive code CC60 when you enter it at checkout to save $60.